Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to go to Zushi.
We're going to Zushi Beach.
Yay! Kizo and Rafi. And Edo and Malik. And Warren.
What? A CC Sophia?
Yes.
Southeast Asian Society event. In collaboration with Sophia Pacific.
Yeah. So we're gonna meet all the people there. And it's like 11 a.m. right now and it's so hot. But yeah.
We tried to go early and then to go surf first, but there's a certain someone
who
didn't wake up in time, was 2 hours late, and that fucking guy is fucking Edo.
That guy there. Guy who's wearing a red shirt.
Red Belgian shirt. And the boy thinks that he's Belgian.
But yeah, we'll catch you later then. Bye. See you later.
Peace.
Peace. Hello everybody. Welcome back. This is Eliza. Hi. We arrived at Zushi Beach and it's hot.
It's so hot.
But yeah, see you on the beach. SDG goes. Sweet. Everybody, we're on the beach now. Eliza again. Vlogging. Cute. Woohoo! Yeah, that's all.
There's the gang over there.